In today's video, we will address the Pinterest connection error and provide a straightforward solution. Firstly, we access the iPhone settings and scroll down until we locate the Pinterest application. Upon tapping on it, we ensure that the mobile data option is enabled. If not, we activate it to grant Pinterest unrestricted access to mobile data. Next, we navigate back and proceed to the general settings of our iPhone. From there, we select iPhone storage and search for Pinterest. Then select Offload Data. Now select Reinstall. Once the application is reinstalled, the connection error should be resolved. Thank you for your attention.